I'm recording this episode and expecting that by the day I publish this video, Lucid Motors will close its reverse merger deal and become a public company. A few weeks ago I was in Santa Monica and had a chance to see the Lucid Air in their showroom in Westfield Century City shopping mall. Don't tell me it's not a good reason to talk about Lucid Motors on my YouTube channel again. Today I will cover that, but also some recent updates from Lucid such as warranty, Lucid Care, Pirelli tires and expected start of production. Stay tuned!
Bakunin Live.
I'm Michael Bakunin, and if you are new to my channel, electric vehicles have been my full-time job and passion since 2013. I worked for Nissan across 3 continents and now I'm based in California. I will start with Lucid's Showroom. As a reminder, they are replicating Tesla's business model. No dealers, only direct sales. One of the first showrooms they opened was in LA. There are 3 more in California and 3 in Florida, according to the Lucid's website. 1 more in Chicago and another one in New York were opened in June. Hopefully, very close to their potential customers willing to pay a premium for a luxury electric sedan. The CEO, Peter Rawlinson, said 1 million times that they are going after Mercedes, but in reality, it's Tesla Model S. In one of the recent interviews, the CEO said, "We aim to make this a 2-horse race. And right now, there is one runner in the tech race and it's Tesla. Let's stick to this. No Mercedeses anymore, please." It's pretty obvious that Lucid wants to repeat Tesla's success story and tries to demonstrate improvements in every possible aspect. I won't talk much about technology today, but if you look at the retail space, an excellent location choice, premium type of interior, and knowledgeable sales staff. They're even trying to add virtual reality experience, but unfortunately the system was not available when I was there. Right at the entrance, you can see the Lucid Air prototype. The sales rep informed me upfront that the vehicle is not final, therefore access is limited. It's okay to look and film, but not okay to touch and sit inside. Taking a closer look at the vehicle, I actually understand why this decision was made. The build quality didn't impress me much. Same type of gaps and misalignment of parts I have on my Model Y. Tesla's customers are very forgiving, but not sure this will be the case with the vehicle, which is twice more expensive and aiming at Mercedes. Sorry, no more Mercedes, I promise. I'm sure this is the reason the start of production has been delayed. Peter Rawlinson has a very strong automotive background, and I fully respect his decision to take more time to improve the quality despite all the pressure coming from the investors. Originally, the start of sales was scheduled in spring. I asked the sales team in the showroom about the new timeline and received a cliché answer. The company will start deliveries sometime in the second half of 2021. Nothing really sharp or concrete, but hopefully not a long wait left. Just to finish on the showroom, I actually hate visiting traditional dealerships. And I know that American customers are comparing visits to a dealership to visits to a dentist. The new car sales format, which was brought forward by Tesla and more recently by other players such as Polestar and Lucid, is the way to go. And all transactions only online, please. Talking about competition with Tesla, let's have a look at the recently announced Lucid Care program and warranty conditions. Lucid will have mobile vans operated by certified technicians. The support will be provided 24/7 and maintenance work can be performed even in your driveway. Sounds very familiar, Tesla owners, right? But even here, Lucid found a way to push the boundaries. Each service van will have a coffee machine to serve you a cup of a fancy latte free of charge, I hope. In case of a more serious accident, Lucid can move your vehicle to a service center, and Lucid is also highlighting the fact that they will be running diagnostics remotely and send over-the-air updates to fix software issues where possible. Talking about warranty terms and conditions, those are very close to what Tesla is offering, but not exactly there. Basic vehicle coverage, 4 years, 50k miles, powertrain, 8 years, 100k miles, and high voltage battery, 8 years, 100k miles to 70% state of health. But the latter is 50k miles short of the offer on Model S. For the high voltage battery, Tesla is offering 8 years, 150k miles. This is a noticeable gap, and Lucid's purchasing team needs to do a better job with their supplier LG Chem to be able to match Tesla's terms and conditions. While the start of production is delayed, it looks like the Lucid's PR team has chosen a strategy to continue creating buzz in the market by sharing updates here and there. Like this one, about collaboration with the Italian tire manufacturer Pirelli. Is it really a powerful and impactful message to the market? I don't think so, but maybe good enough to keep investors' attention. So what do we have here? Pirelli introduced its first high-load index tire. If you ask me why you need anything like that for an EV, the answer will be simple: weight and rolling resistance. Lucid Air weighs 2.3 tons, which is 500 kilograms heavier than Mercedes E-Class. Did I say Mercedes again? Never mind. The new tire from Pirelli will be able to support 20% more weight compared to a standard tire, exactly what's needed here. And rolling resistance is pretty straightforward. Normally 3 to 7% of energy could be saved, which is absolutely critical for an electric car. In addition to that, rolling noise will be reduced to offer a quieter ride, all the necessary components for a premium vehicle. Lucid is clearly doing its homework, but is it enough to send the CCIV share price to the sky? As the CCIV owner, fingers crossed. Hit the like button and see you next week.